you're brand new here, welcome to Do It on a Dime. I bought the entire home edit organizing line from Walmart. It just released at the beginning of January and I am giving you my honest review. This video is not sponsored in any way. Let's jump into it. If you haven't heard of the Home Edit, Netflix released the wildly popular Get Organized with the Home Edit, and I think it single-handedly made all of our Instagram feeds that beautiful rainbow colors and clear bins as a style of organizing. However, it also came at a hefty price point. A lot of the items came from the Container Store. In came Walmart at the beginning of this year to release a line that was actually affordable. Everything is priced just under $10 up to $25 for what are called edits. These are packs of bins or organizing containers that help you categorize different items around your home, from the laundry room to your art station to even inside of drawers. I think these collections are amazing, and when it released, I saw all of the 5-star reviews and knew I had to review it for you guys too. There was also a recent study by Walmart saying that 70% of people don't know where to start when it comes to organizing their home. If that describes you, you should definitely click the subscribe button to this channel because I share tons of frugal content right here so you can do just that. And my friends, we are doing this together. This is all brand new for me too, so let's dive into some of these edits and see what we think. And if you thought there was no possible way I had other things in my house to organize, I assure you that is not the case. I also realized this week that my toxic trait is collecting way too many candles that I forget to burn. Let me know if you can relate. This is the 5-piece set pantry edit, and here's what it comes with. Ooh. So it comes with 2 of these smaller containers and then 2 larger stacking ones. And, ooh, this is really cool. It's very rare that you see clear risers like this at such a good price point. Breaking down the cost per item, everything ranges in this line from about $2 to $5 each. These risers right at that under $5 price point are absolutely beautiful. The best I've ever worked with in this style. This is an 8-piece multi-purpose set that retails for this price. I really like the stacking features. Wow, it makes it so compact. This, I think, is what sets the home edit stuff apart, is everything is stackable. So you can really maximize all of your vertical real estate. The quality of the containers is really nice, which I love. And everything is so compartmentalized. One downside would be that you have to really keep it kind of neat and tidy, because if everything is not color coordinated or all the same thing, it can give you a lot of visual clutter. So just keep that in mind with whatever space you're organizing. Especially if you're somebody who likes to throw it in a bin and not be able to see your clutter, this system might not be the best for you. Regardless of how you organize, the most versatile edit in this line is the 10-piece bath set. These drawer containers are absolutely fantastic. I was shocked at how much I liked them, and the size is just perfect for most standard drawers. Sometimes when working with a lot of styles of containers, especially in small spaces, it can be hard to make it fit just right, but this edit did not disappoint. There's one thing I want you to know though. If you put these in a drawer without a liner at the bottom, they are going to slide around. But you can remedy that by picking up some poster tack from the Dollar Tree. Put about 2 pieces on opposing corners, and that way these aren't going anywhere in your drawer. I definitely rate this part of the line a 10 out of 10. Also, do you decant your plastic Ziploc bags? I definitely do, and I love the way it looks. Of all of the organizers, I was most excited about the 5-piece laundry set. Now, you don't just have to use this in the laundry room. You can really put this anywhere. Whew. I'm just gonna rip that. I adore this style of bin. You can really easily put your hand in. It holds everything so nicely. Square bins are always the way to go for most places you're trying to get organized around your house. And I am super excited to try out this clear turntable. Ooh, for some reason, this size is really great. There's something about organizing these spaces that felt so cozy to me. Everything fits together so well and in a very modular way. I think if you've got a lot of little items to store, for example, batteries or baking goods, I really liked this because you can stack them in virtually any configuration. And what's more, once you get them in the space, they also slide around on top of each other, so it makes it easy to access everything. Now, you can't take the Dollar Tree out of the girl. These are my Dollar Tree shoe bins. I put Olive Owen's sensory jewelry stuff inside of it. But this before and after turned out really great. I love that I can see everything. I had leftover containers from the lines that I purchased, so I actually decided to put this into my baking cabinet. And again, this makes it so easy to get to everything. There was one disappointment though, and that was the turntable. I don't know if mine was just broken, but mine didn't turn very well. I tend to like my marble cake pan DIY a lot better than that one, but you have to let me know what you think below. I also really like that you can combine edits together, so you don't have to use them as intended. And some of the smaller bins fit into the larger containers perfectly. It's got that nice snug fit, so you can really maximize that space. Plus, the visual appeal is awesome. Overall, I love this line. The price point for the quality that you're getting, especially if you're organizing a lot of small product, the versatility and stackability is great. I do think if you are not a perfect organizer, in some spaces of your home, having clear containers might be a detriment because then you're gonna see a lot of visual clutter. But overall, I think this is a fantastic purchase. But I want to hear from you. Would you leave this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it? It lets me know you want more content just like this. I am so glad you made it here today, my friend. If nobody has told you, you are enough. I cannot wait to catch you in the next video. You hit that subscribe button because we have got lots of organizing to do on a budget. I'll catch you guys soon. Bye.